Welcome again, people. That's another quick update about the COVID-19 thing we are going in Jamaica. Yeah. And boy, I tell you, look good because as you can see it, instead of number of them decrease, in numbers are increase with more people are getting infected and we're sick. So it look too good, brother. So right now in Jamaica, we have 223 cases of the COVID-19 in Jamaica right now. So I repeat it again, 223 cases of the COVID-19 in Jamaica. And I like to say it, but I still feel say go up more. Yeah, because everybody still have follow the rules and regulations, social distance, where the Prime Minister say we have do. So when you have people like them, in a year, things like this go happen. Because here they are 223, probably the next week you would have there 250. You understand? And the more we spread and more they are available for people catch it who not have it already. And with the rising of the numbers in the COVID-19 to 223, the curfew hours extend to 12 hours. So we're going to talk about that now. The Prime Minister said the curfew will run from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day. He also say go start Tuesday morning and the work hours them go adjusted to 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And pharmacy, supermarket and corner shop must close by 5 p.m. and markets will be open all week except for Sundays between 6 a.m. and 4 p.m. So people, on here, I tell you orders, so you have to just work with it. So anyway, people, I want to talk some more, but late in the night, so until next time, peace.